Hey guys, welcome back to Teardown. We're going to be playing campaign again. And our TV is out. So, well, as soon as I did that. Okay. What's in here? Garbage. Nice. Okay. By the way, these are all mods that I downloaded. Very easy to get them. Just go on the workshop and get the blowtorch. Actually, that came with the game. But this shotgun didn't. This didn't. This didn't. That didn't. These are all mods, but this one is the most intensive one, and I love it. I just love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. But anyway, we're going to go over here, and we're going to do a mission. Let's do this mission. We're going to go up here, do this. Okay. There's a lot of side missions. 3 side missions and 1 or 3 other missions. And this is the security things. Okay. We have to get this. I don't know where we had to do with this. Dump 3 cars. Oh, okay. Dump 3 cars. But we can do other missions as well. And these all, this is there. There's 2 cars exactly the same. Nice. Okay. And there will be triggered alarms. Isn't that lovely? Okay. Well, let's see if we can possibly just do something. We're gonna do something here, guys. We're gonna go into this car. And we're gonna just break into here. 'Cause that's what I love to do, guys. There's nothing in here. Okay, this is one of the cars that we have to take and dump it into the ocean. This is for my handy dandy. Just get rid of this crap. You can see why I love this. And we're going to just that easy, I guess. The other ones is gonna be in here. I just don't like the way that he redecorated his house. That's all. Oh. It's right here. Okay. If we sever this in any way, guys, we're going to trigger the alarm. So that's not going to help at all. This might be a little difficult, because we have to bring that car all the way over here. This is going to be a little bit more intense, guys. But, hey, we didn't get into this business for subtlety. Let's just... let's just break in here and see what we can do. Okay, guys. We are doing some missions. We're not gonna make it, guys. We're definitely not gonna make it, guys. Well, that's a shame. Let's go back to the main menu. We will do this, guys. I promise you that. Don't worry. I won't leave you guys hanging. But, in the meantime, thank you for watching. We will be going back at this again. I promise you that.